Welcome to Software to See by Festo. In this video, we show you how to use HART DTMs to set up a connection between a PC and the positioner CMSH. The hardware required for this task includes a CMSH, power source to provide the analog input signal. In the process plant, this would be the current output of a remote I/O, a PC with a USB port, and a USB HART modem. There are various manufacturers of such USB HART adapters. Each of the two current probes is conductively connected to a separate connection line of the CMSH. Before the first connection is established, the required software components must be downloaded and installed on the computer. Administrator rights may be required for the installation of some of them. First, you need an FTT framework application. For example, PACTware is widely used. We also use version 4.1 for this video. On this website, you will find links to various places where you can download the software free of charge and install it on your computer. Next, you have to install both a driver package and a so-called COM DTM for the USB HART modem. You will get both of them from the modem supplier. In case you have to configure the HART modem, for instance, by selecting the associated COM port number, you can use a special configuration software that is automatically installed together with the driver package. Finally, you can download the device type manager for HART communication with the CMSH from festo.com. To do this, enter CMSH in the search field, and then on the software, you will find the zip file that matches the device version of your CMSH. You can download it, unpack it, and run the contained executable. Once the installations are complete and the HART modem is connected to the computer, you can start the FTT framework application. You may need to update the device catalog first by clicking this button here. You can right-click on Host PC and select the USB adapter. After that, right-click on the HART modem symbol, go to Add Device, and select the DTM of the CMSH. If this leads to an error message, open the Windows Control Panel, go to Region and Additional Settings, and select the point as a decimal symbol. When the DTM of the CMSH has been loaded, the HART address 0 has to be confirmed. Afterwards, right-click on the modem symbol again and select Additional Functions, Driver Configuration to activate the HART adapter. Finally, right-click on CMSH and select Connect to establish the connection with the CMSH. By double-clicking CMSH, you can load the user interface and continue by viewing the information that is relevant for you, or check and modify device settings and parameters. So far, our introduction to a HART DTM setup with the positioner CMSH. If you like the videos, please subscribe to our channel and keep yourself informed. See you next time.